Hey guys, this is David, and it was a great choice audio video. Today we're on the job site, finally installing these James Loudspeaker OT88s, and I can't wait to get this whole system going. So I want to show you this is the beginning of the day. Let me show you what we've done. If you look out, it's a big old wide area. You know, you got the pool, you got the seating area, you have a like a tanning ledge or an area to just kind of sit in a small pool of water. You have a hot tub, but if you look on the very far side, we have a speaker going way over there. If you look right over there to the right, you have a speaker going way over there. And because there's no landscape, it's all concrete going around the pool, we were kind of limited to doing you know, those little satellite speakers and direct barrel subs. So the client wanted a great sound that could produce, you know, volumes of, let's say, concert level. And this is what we've chosen with the James OT88. So if you've seen one of our previous videos, we'll show you real fast what makes this speaker so awesome. You got your quad array of tweeters, titanium tweeters. You got your 6.5 mids, and then you got your 8-inch dual subs. Now, this is a true three-way speaker where you look right here, they're actually labeled. So you have a true conductor for the SATs. So that's at DSP 2-150, that's we're running the mids and highs. And then we have the sub, and that's at DSP 2-750 running the 8-inch sub. So pretty dang sweet. This is that Sierra granite finish, mountain granite. And you remember in the video, this looks nice. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that. And then custom grill to match. So let me kind of show you real fast how these work. So we've got conduit going from the speaker location, which is flush in the concrete. And then we have it stubbed out the main hole. So if you see here, here's our conduit. We got it flush. And then in the bottom of the speaker is big old bracket like this. So what we do, we place exactly where we want to aim the speaker, and then we'll mark a hole, and we'll put in, you know, 5 or 6 lag bolts, you know, down into the concrete so it's nice and firm. And then we'll make our connections, which is inside here, and we'll set the speaker on top, and then screw in all these points where James just made it nice to have a secure speaker where it's not going to fall over in high winds and all that kind of stuff. So, but we ran our wire. You can see over here, we've already ran our wire from some of the locations. So we're getting ready to finish running conduit. So all the direct barrel wire is going through conduit, comes all across the side of the pool area, and then we'll have it go into the building and to all the equipment and hook up to all the racks. So a lot of planning has gone into this. This is not your average system. It's definitely going to be one for those who entertain, because it's going to sound really good at low volumes, and of course, it's going to sound really good at high volumes. So, which is we're excited for. So let me show you the rack. Casey's working on the rack over here. And so here's all of our amplifiers. So we're getting it started. It's not done. We'll have some vents going between each one. But we have the DSP 750s for the subs, DSP 150s for the mids and highs. Like I said, we're gonna have the vents going in there. We're gonna use a Sonos port that's gonna handle all the music. And this is gonna be one incredibly sounding system. We're probably gonna add an outdoor access point, just extend Wi-Fi since we're using Sonos. So then throughout the whole yard, makes it easy to control your music, volume, playlist, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. We got lots more to show you. Can't wait to get these all in, get the conduit finished up, run the rest of the wire, and get this thing rocking. So stay tuned, guys.